Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is arguably the best marble beads for bracelets on the market, the Sistenia 6mm glass beads bracelet making kit. Whether you're a seasoned jewelry maker or just starting out, this kit offers an exceptional variety and quality that will elevate your crafting experience. Right out of the box, you'll notice the vibrant array of 24 different colors included in the kit. These 6mm round crystal glass beads come in a stunning spectrum that gives you endless creative possibilities. From bracelets and necklaces to anklets and keychains, these beads are perfect for any DIY jewelry project. The kit doesn't stop there. It also includes 400 pieces of accessories such as rhinestone spacer beads, gold and silver beads, open rings, charms, and 2 rolls of stretchy elastic strings, making it a comprehensive set ready to spark your creativity. Quality is key when it comes to beads, and the Sistenia kit does not disappoint. Crafted from premium glass, these beads have a smooth, jade-like texture that is both elegant and durable. Unlike plastic beads, they are non-stick and unbreakable, designed to withstand everyday wear without fading or losing their shine. This makes them ideal not only for crafting but for creating jewelry that lasts. The kit is thoughtfully designed for all ages, suitable for adults and kids over 6 years old. It's a wonderful way to introduce children to jewelry making, providing a fun, engaging activity that promotes creativity and fine motor skills. The inclusion of elastic strings also makes the bracelets easy to wear and comfortable, with flexibility to fit various wrist sizes. Another great feature is the packaging. The beads come beautifully organized in a stylish craft paper box, which helps keep everything neat and easily accessible. This makes it an excellent gift option for daughters, sisters, or friends who love crafting. Whether you want to create personalized gifts or even start your own jewelry business, this kit has everything you need. The Sistenia 6mm glass beads bracelet making kit strikes the perfect balance between variety, quality, and value. With approximately 1,400 pieces in total, you're getting a generous amount to explore different designs and experiment with patterns. The mix of vibrant colors paired with elegant spacer beads allows for sophisticated yet playful creations. If you're looking to jumpstart your jewelry making journey or searching for a complete kit that offers both quality and quantity, this Sistenia bead set stands out as one of the best choices available. Its durable materials, diverse components, and beautiful colors make it a reliable and inspiring kit for hobbyists and professionals alike. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Happy crafting!